Hello, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to look at a particular function that is called the now function. Anytime you want a person to do something right away, you say do it now. But this particular function is not about doing anything now. It's actually about how to get the current date and the current time. It means what is the time now and what is the date now. So join me in the class as we see how the now function can be used. All right, welcome back to the class. So now in this particular session, we are going to be looking at another function called the now function. This function is quite simple. It's just straightforward. What it does is give you what is the date and the time. And that is the now. What is it now? So once you put the equal sign and then you type now, there's no parameter. You just put that and it gives you the date, that is the current date, and the time. And this also updates. What it means that by tomorrow, it's going to show you tomorrow's date and the current time based on your system time. And this can also go as equals now plus 1. So this is going to add to the date, but the time will still remain the same. So whatever this means is that you are saying the date you are providing a date at the same time. Okay, providing a date. So you can also use this mathematically. You can add, you can subtract, and subtract dates from it. I mean numbers from it to make it show date before or date after. Okay, but the time remains constant. So the now function displays both the date and the time. So you can think of any other associate it with any of your tasks, but this is a very beautiful function that you can also use to update your worksheet, just to display your current date and your current time. So see you in another session. We'll be looking at another date example. Bye for now.